I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? I'm not sure what you mean. I'm not sure what you mean. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. I was just about to call you. I was just about to call you. I need a little more time to think about it. I need a little more time to think about it. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still getting used to it. I didn't expect it to be so difficult. I didn't expect it to be so difficult. Welcome to English Unlocked, the Fluency podcast. I'm Adam. In this lesson, you will practice 120 useful English sentences for daily life and real conversations. Listen carefully, speak out loud, and copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and natural pauses. Try not to translate in your head. Just listen, understand, and speak. Let's begin. Part 1. Everyday English. A1, A2. I just woke up. I just woke up. I need to get ready. I need to get ready. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? I'm running late. I'm running late. I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. They're on the table. They're on the table. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? I'm going to work now. I'm going to work now. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? I'm not doing much. I'm not doing much. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. Do we need anything? Do we need anything? I need some milk. I need some milk. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? What does that mean? What does that mean? Can you show me? Can you show me? I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. It's right across the street. It's right across the street. I'm a little tired today. I'm a little tired today. I need to take a break. I need to take a break. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost time to go. It's almost time to go. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. My phone is running out of battery. My phone is running out of battery. Can I use your charger? Can I use your charger? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. Let's get something to eat. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Keep the change. Keep the change. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Part 2. Natural Conversations. A2. How have you been? I've been pretty busy lately. I've been pretty busy lately. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Nothing much, to be honest. Nothing much, to be honest. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't seen you in ages. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was really relaxing. It was really relaxing. I stayed home and watched a movie. I stayed home and watched a movie. I went out with a few friends. I went out with a few friends. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? I don't have any plans yet. I don't have any plans yet. I might visit my family. I might visit my family. That sounds like fun. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? I'd love to, but I can't. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? I think it's a great idea. I think it's a great idea. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. Explanation. It depends means the answer can change in different situations. That makes sense. That makes sense. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. I see your point. I see your point. I didn't think of it that way. I didn't think of it that way. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. Explanation. No big deal means it is not a serious problem. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. Explanation. On my way means I am traveling there now. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Can you send me the details? Can you send me the details? I didn't get your message. I didn't get your message. Let me check my phone. Let me check my phone. I'll get back to you later. I'll get back to you later. Explanation. Get back to you means reply or give an answer later. That works for me. That works for me. I'm free after 6. I'm free after 6. Can we meet somewhere else? Can we meet somewhere else? I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Part 3. Speak more fluently. A1-B1. I'm trying to improve my English every day. I'm trying to improve my English every day. I want to speak more naturally. I want to speak more naturally. I understand more than I can say. I understand more than I can say. Sometimes I translate in my head. Sometimes I translate in my head. I'm working on speaking more confidently. I'm working on speaking more confidently. I need more practice with real conversations. I need more practice with real conversations. I'm still getting used to speaking English. I'm still getting used to speaking English. I don't want to make the same mistake again. I don't want to make the same mistake again. I'm not familiar with that word. I'm not familiar with that word. Explanation. Familiar with means you know something because you have seen or heard it before. Could you give me an example? Could you give me an example? I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it for a moment. I need a little more time to decide. I need a little more time to decide. I'll let you know as soon as possible. I'll let you know as soon as possible. I don't want to rush into a decision. I don't want to rush into a decision. Explanation. Rush into means decide or do something too quickly. I'm trying to balance work and personal life. I'm trying to balance work and personal life. I've had a lot on my mind lately. I've had a lot on my mind lately. Explanation. A lot on my mind means you have many things to think or worry about. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today. I need to take things one step at a time. I need to take things one step at a time. I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. Thanks for being so understanding. Thanks for being so understanding. I didn't mean to upset you. I didn't mean to upset you. I think there has been a misunderstanding. I think there has been a misunderstanding. Let's talk about it calmly. Let's talk about it calmly. I see what you're saying. That's not exactly what I meant. That's not exactly what I meant. I'd rather be honest with you. I'd rather be honest with you. Explanation. I'd rather means I prefer one thing or choice more than another. I'm willing to give it a try. I'm willing to give it a try. It might be worth a try. It might be worth a try. Explanation. Worth a try means it may be a good idea to attempt something. I'm happy with the progress I've made. I'm happy with the progress I've made. I still have a lot to learn. I still have a lot to learn. I'm getting better, little by little. I'm getting better, little by little. I'm proud of myself for not giving up. I'm proud of myself for not giving up. I'm more confident than I was before. I'm more confident than I was before. I'm learning to express myself clearly. I'm learning to express myself clearly. I want to sound more natural when I speak. I want to sound more natural when I speak. I'm starting to think in English more often. I'm starting to think in English more often. Practice is helping me speak without translating. Practice is helping me speak without translating. I can speak English with more confidence now. I can speak English with more confidence now. Final fluency challenge. Now, let's finish with a quick challenge. This time, listen carefully and try to say each sentence with me after only one model. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. Could you give me an example? I've had a lot on my mind lately. I'd rather be honest with you. Let me think about it for a moment. I'm doing the best I can. I don't want to rush into a decision. Thanks for being so understanding. I'm looking forward to it. I'm getting better, little by little. I'm on my way. I didn't think of it that way. I'll get back to you later. I need a little more time to decide. That works for me. I'm still getting used to it. I really appreciate your help. It might be worth a try. I'm trying to speak more naturally. I can speak English with more confidence now. Great job today. Choose 3 sentences from this lesson and use them in real life this week. Which sentence was the most useful for you? Write it in the comments below. Thank you for practicing with me today. This is English Unlocked, the Fluency podcast. I'm Adam. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep speaking English with confidence. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.